So I'm pressing on a swelling seen on the patient's right side forehead, and on pressing that swelling on the forehead, you can see that this patient is having a CSF leak from the right side nose. That's the CSF coming out. Now this swelling is actually the brain, the patient's brain, that is coming out of the skull on the right side forehead. That's the CT scan, and you can see that's the brain that is popping out from the patient's skull, the open skull. Now this patient's skull is open because a neurosurgeon before has operated on this patient for meningioma. That's the patient's frontal sinus into which the brain is popping out. And you can see that's a huge CSF cystic space from within the sulci, and that is opening as a fistula in the patient's frontal sinus, and that is how the CSF is leaking out the nose. And you can see that's the brain up there coming out of the patient's forehead.